Hey YouTubers, Wile E. Coyote here. In today's low fidelity episode, we are going to be tackling an electronics repair, or at least so I thought. And so we've got the victim here on the old healing bench, and it's a old Kenwood surround sound. The thing sounds great, but the remote control no longer operates the thing. I bought a replacement, and the replacement worked for a little bit, but then it stopped working. And so I've been investigating here, watched some YouTube videos on replacing the remote sensor eye, and was all ready to get into it with my new soldering iron over here. And noticed that the little view window here, let's see if I can make this a little more obvious, this little viewing window here had a film on the inside. And so the first thing that I did was try the remote without the window in front of it, and she works. So we close that up, put the window in front of it, or at least as best we can here, one-handed. And she works again. So it looks like no electronics repair is going to be needed today. It was just a dirty window on the front of the display. So we'll get her back together and see how she chooches.